Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, same Wi-Fi and a casting receiver. First, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and confirm it matches the TV network. Next, launch the app you'll cast from. Look for the cast icon or AirPlay menu. If you use a dongle like Chromecast, make sure it's powered and shows the home screen. Once done, tap the cast icon and select your TV name. You're now initiating the connection. Don't close the app while it negotiates. After you tap the cast icon, you'll see a list of available devices. Select the TV that matches the label on screen. If you're casting video, set audio to TV and the playback controls so sound routes correctly. For full screen mirror, enable screen mirroring or Smart View on your phone and confirm permission prompts. This duplicates your display rather than streaming one app. Once connected, make minor tweaks like orientation lock or quality settings to improve smoothness and reduce lag during playback. To stop casting, tap the cast icon again and choose disconnect or stop casting in the app. The TV will return to its previous input. If wireless lag or app incompatibility persists, plug a USB-C/HDMI adapter or use an HDMI cable for a direct feed. That eliminates network variables. If things go wrong, restart the phone, TV, and router in that order and retest. And make sure guest network isolation or router firewall isn't blocking device discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.